Hello guys, today I'm going to share with you how to create a Maven project using Java, and also I'm going to share with you after Maven project created how to add the dependencies. So I'm in Eclipse, so I have one project, so I'm going to deleting this project. So I'm going to create a new one. So if you want to create a Maven project, so you needed to plug into the tools like Eclipse or IntelliJ or anything else, whatever you use. So I'm using Eclipse. It's easy to use. So file, new, Maven project. You are seeing Maven project is showing is here, but if you are in first time, you are not able to see here. So what you have to do, you have to go to the other, and you can see over here Maven project. You can see the Maven project. Next, if you say next, so create a simple Maven project. I always like to create a simple Maven project. If you want, you can choose anything else. Also, I use default workspace location. If you want to customize location, example, you want to save in desktop or document or download folder, you can always customize here. But I'm keeping it simple using default work location. So I'm the next. So group test group group ID. I'm giving the Maven project. Artifact ID I keep the test. Name I keep Maven project 2. So now I'm going to say finish. Yeah, my project is already ready. You will see over here Java library, which is some jar by default is added already here. JRE system library. Also Maven dependencies library is here, but it's empty because we didn't add any dependencies yet. For that, if you want to add some dependency, you have to go pom XML file and pom XML. You see there is no dependencies is there. So what we can do, we can add some dependencies. In future, I will be show you how to create a Selenium Maven page object model framework. So what I can do, I will be add for you guys Selenium dependencies. It will be help for next steps. So let's go how to add the Selenium dependencies. So any browser you open, you can write down Selenium dependencies. So if you say Maven repository, so I'm going to go over there, and I see the Selenium Java. So depends on what kind of Selenium dependencies you need. I need Selenium Java. That's why I'm clicking Selenium Java. So I'm going to take the always latest version, and I click here, already selected, Command C. If you have Windows, same way you can do that. Go back to your dependencies. Remember, I just copy one dependency. So in this pom XML file, always will be have more than one dependency. So you have to put inside dependencies your dependency file. So I'm going to say dependency center and make that copy paste. So inside the dependencies, I add dependency, which is Selenium. Remember, like why I say dependencies, because it has to be more than one. Example, you are doing Selenium testing the framework. So what you're gonna do, I'm gonna add one more dependency, which you're gonna write down over here, test ng. So now you see I have test ng dependency here. So now I have one more dependency. So now you have to add, you cannot just add inside the dependency one more dependency. So that's why we use the dependencies. So we can add as many dependency we want. So we just paste here Selenium and testng. So Command S, if you have Windows, Control S. Except we see already here Maven dependencies, something trigger here. So we have to always save side. So after save, because of Maven project, so always update the Maven. Maven, again, right click, Maven, update project. When you update project, you will see somehow something it's done. So now there is no error showing up. That means our Maven project compiling is properly, and also dependencies add properly. So if we open the dependencies, you see Selenium, and somewhere should be TestNG. TestNG, Selenium. Yeah, Sama should be here TestNG because I add Selenium and TestNG. So now if I close it here, and there is Java library. That means Maven project create properly, and we added the dependencies, which is the Selenium and TestNG. And if you want more, any dependency you want based on your test. So next video, I will be show you how to create Maven Selenium Maven project framework, which is page upload model Selenium framework. So keep tuned my channel, which is Future IT Vision. If you like it, please press the like button, click the like button. Feel free to comment, suggest for improvement, or you have any question, just comment in a video, and I will be giving answer right away. Thank you so much.